Hey team, popping in with a quick bonus one. I realize that it's only been like a half hour since I released the past one, but I remembered something, and of course, like all good code, you go back to it 5 seconds later and you come up with better solutions. So the challenge that we just went through was the knight's move, right? And we had some code in here where we had the entire board and then our positions, and we were testing, and it's jumping around, but it works great. But I made the comment that this board, right? Maybe there's a tricky way to test against this board. And during the video, of course, my brain wasn't fully on or something like that. I don't know what happened, but I didn't see it. As soon as I finished recording that, I did see it. So here we are with a quick bonus to fix that. Right down here inside of our code. So this is all of our code, right? We have that game board, our possible moves, because there's only 8. And down here, inside of this code, we get the XY positions and then we operate on them, okay? But what we do instead is we check against the board. Do we need to check against the board? I don't think so, right? I really don't. And here's how this works. We take this away, okay? And I'm going to create a brand new if, okay? And it's going to be a bit of a big one, but if everything passes in here, we are going to return ACC plus 1, okay? So our first test is that row plus row D, because we had that. And if that is greater than -1, so if it's 0 or higher, then we pass, right? So here we go. Now, we do this again for less than 8, okay? Sorry, 8, just like that. We take all of this, drop it down, multi-cursors for the win, change it to column, the exact same thing, get rid of the final and it works. And here's the magic of this. Now that we have this, okay, I can go and get rid of all of this, so I'm actually reducing the amount of code I have because there's only 8 columns and 8 rows, right? So we're testing against that based on 0 index arrays. Of course, that's why it's -1 and 8. But we're testing against that and then doing it. And because we don't have to do this lookup, it gets so much faster. Okay, look at this, right? Remember in the past video, we had 1.1 million ops per second. Now we're up to almost 7 million just by removing that grid and that lookup. So I missed, right? And that can happen sometimes where you see something and you're so hyper focused on it that you miss an obvious solution. So again, bit of a quick bonus. I'm going to follow it. It's going to be a fast follow with the video that was just released. But I really like this and I wanted to share it really fast. So I hope you were interested. If you found it surprising or you absolutely hate it, please comment. I want to hear all about that. And I will see you in the next one.